This is my graphic notation score. So we've just got each of the scenes set out. The setting the scene, I'm going to do frog noises, and that one is the instrument is going to be hitting my leg as a frog noise. Then there's the rising action, which is the shrugs being cut down. So I'm just going to do a light noise, a soft noise you could say also, to a falling safety pins as my instrument. The climax is the frogs drying out, when Austin is talking about the frogs drying out. It's a little bit stressful. I'm going to use the shaker that I used in my other video with the sprinkles inside it. And then the falling action is when the water and shelter are built. And I'm going to use a water bottle just as like a, like a pouring of water, and like a sort of more of an earthy noise. And then the resolution is the wind blowing, and I'm going to use wind chimes. And for the instrument, I'm going to use keys. So here we go.